Good morning, student. Beta, you know that lesson third we have already completed. In the third lesson, the deep water, we have already studied. But today we are going to start our fourth lesson, the right track. Today, in this very lesson, the writer wants to tell us that if any person is criminal, if any person is not good in the society, if any person is having the bad habits, if he has become the convict or he has become the criminal, that very person cannot be improved with the help of the stigmats, with the rude behavior, or we can say that with the stigmats. You know that in this very lesson there was a one person that he was having the habit of a kleptomaniac, means he used to steal the small things, but slowly and slowly that he became the habitual of stealing the things. So you know that very time he was met by the iron master. The iron master's behavior was not good. He was having the rude behavior and he was not having the good behavior. So you know that he always avoid with the rude behaviorness, with the bad stickness. But you know when the daughter of the iron master had reached there, then simply she behaved with the lovingly, she behaved with the good qualities. After that, that very person has improved in the life and he has become a good person in the life. So you know, today this chapter has been written by Selma Lagerlöf. He was born in Selma Lagerlöf. He was born in 1858, and you know that he was the Swedish writer. Swedish writer means that simply he was born in the Sweden, where the stories have been translated into many languages. A universal theme runs through the of them, and you know. In this very chapter, we are going to study about a person that he was the rat trap. In his business was that simply he used to earn money by doing the business of that selling the small rat traps which were made on the wires. So today we are going to start this very story, and you know. I'm reading the first passage. Once upon a time, there was a man who went around selling small rat traps or wire. He made them himself at odd moments from the material he got by begging in the stories or at the big farms. But even so, the business was not especially profitable, so he had to resort to both begging and petty things to keep body and soul together. Even so, his claws were in the racks, his cheeks were sunken, and hunger gleamed in his eyes. एक्चुअली इन दिस वेरी स्टोरी वी स्टडी दैट एक बार क्या होता है, इसमें स्टोरी बताया गया कि एक बार क्या होता है, एक आदमी था जो मोस्टली क्या करता था, रैट ट्रैप्स बेचता था। रैट ट्रैप्स का मतलब क्या होता है, दैट चूहेदारी, द ट्रैप दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर कैचिंग द रैट्स। और कह रहे हैं ये जो रैट ट्रैप्स था एक वायर का बना हुआ था, इस तरीके से कह रहा है ही ये जो रैट ट्रैप था उसने खुद बनाया था, और जो मटेरियल उसने यूज किया था, कह रहा है उसने स्टोर से बैगिंग करके मटेरियल्स लिया था और उसके बिग फ्रेम्स वगैरह बनाए थे। लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी उसका बिजनेस जो था उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट नहीं था। यानी ये जो बिजनेस करता था बाई सेलिंग द रैट ट्रैप्स एक्सेट्रा, फिर भी उसका बिजनेस इतना अच्छा नहीं था। तो कह रहे हैं ही हैड टू रिसोर्ट टू बोथ बैगिंग एंड प्रैक्टिस थेरेपी टू बॉडी एंड सोल टुगेदर। इस तरीके से क्या करता था, वो किस पे डिपेंड रखता था, चीज़ों को मांगा करता था, वो बैगिंग का भी काम करता था, साथ साथ क्या होता है छोटी मोटी चीज़ों को वो चुरा लेता था अपने, कह रहे हैं अपनी बॉडी और सोल को साथ साथ रखने के लिए, इस संसार में सर्वाइव करने के लिए, जीवित रहने के लिए उसे रैट ट्रैप्स का ही सेलिंग नहीं करता था, बल्कि इसके साथ साथ में क्या करता था, बैगिंग भी करता था और छोटी मोटी चीज़ें चुराया करता था। इवन सो उसके इसके बावजूद उसके कपड़े कहते थे फटे हुए थे और उसके गाल वगैरह जो थे बिल्कुल अंदर धंसे हुए थे, और कह रहे ऐसा लगता था कि उसकी आंखें देखने से ऐसा लगता था कि ही हैज बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम द हंगरनेस। You know, in this very story we are going to tell about a person that simply a person used to sell the rat traps, and whatever the rat traps he was having, that very rat trap he made himself. And he knows simply he has collected the materials and he bagged the materials from the iron stores etc., and after that he made the rat traps himself, and after that he used to do the business of the iron. What we can say he used to do the business by selling the rat traps, but still that he was not getting the good profit. So an idea came into the mind of the rat trap that simply he used to borrow the things, he used to do the work just like a beggars. Not only just like a beggars, but he has also having some bad habits. He used to steal the small things, petty things. Still he was wearing the torn clothes. His clothes were not good, you know that, and he was looking just like he was looking in the very dirty condition. And we can say that his cheeks were inside, his cheeks were hollowing, and there was the hungerness after seeing in the eyes. So we can say this very gentleman was not satisfied with his business, so he used to do the other things, but still he was not satisfied whatever the income he was getting. So, you know, between the first passage that we can say that after reading this very passage, we can say that what did the man do? What did the man do according to the passage? That simply the man used to do the business of the rat trap. Why he used to borrow the things or why he steal the things? The thing was that simply we can say that because he was not getting the good profit. And in this way, that in the first paragraph is clear. Now today I'm just going to read the second passage. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond who plods along the road left to his own meditations. But one day, this man had fallen into a line of thought which really seemed to him everything. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him, the whole world with him, lands and seas, the cities and the villages was nothing but a big rat trap. It had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits for people. It offered riches and joys, shelter and food, that clothing, exactly as the rat trap offered cheeks and pork, and soon as the animal left himself, tempted to touch the bait, it closed it on, and with everything came to an end. But also, you know, the second passage the writer want to say that no one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can be applied to such vagabonds. कह रहा है ऐसे जो लोग जो vagabonds होते हैं, जो आवारा लोग होते हैं, उनका लाइफ या तो दुख से भरा हुआ होता है, that is full of the sadness, या बहुत ज़्यादा monotonous हो जाता है. Monotonous का मतलब means क्या होता है? Dull. Their life is not so good. उनका life इतना dull हो जाता है. कह रहे हैं who plods along the road. ऐसे ही लोग जो आवारा लोग होते हैं, vagabonds होते हैं, vagrants होते हैं, जो roads पे हमेशा जो ऐसे फालतू घूमते रहते हैं, ना तो इन लोगों में कभी लाइफ में खुशी मिल सकती है, ये लोग हमेशा सैड रहते हैं, और सबसे बड़ी बात क्या होता है, इनका जीवन क्या हो जाता है, फुल ऑफ द डलनेस हो जाता है. फिर कह रहा है, आगे बता रहा है, इन्होंने बताया कि टू हिज ऑन मेडिटेशंस, और जो एज ए लेफ्ट टू हिज ऑन मेडिटेशंस, कह रहे हैं ये लोग ना तो कभी मेडिटेशंस करते हैं, दे नेवर रिमेंबर्स गॉड, दे नेवर ऑफर्स द प्रेयर्स टू द गॉड. तो कह रहा है लेकिन ऐसे में क्या होता है, इन लोगों का जीवन जो होता है अपने आप में क्या होता है, दैट इज फुल ऑफ द होपलेसनेस, यानी इट मींस दैट देयर लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ द डेस्पेयर. कह रहे वन डे this man fallen to his own meditation. One day this man had fallen into a line of thought which really seemed to him entertaining. एक दिन क्या होगा, ये आदमी बड़ा गहराई से सोच रहा था, तो कह रहा है अपने आप में कह रहा है which really seemed to him entertaining. ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो अपने आप में entertaining कर रहा हो. कह रहा है आगे he had naturally been thinking of the rat traps, और वो इसके बारे में सोच रहा होगा. एक दिन ये आदमी बड़ा गहराई में पड़ा हुआ था, पता है अपने आप को एक ऐसे डीपली थॉट उसके मन में थे, और इस तरीके से क्या हुआ था, उसके दिमाग में एक आइडिया आया था, तो इनसे rat trap के बारे में सोच रहा था. तो कह रहा था कि पूरा का पूरा वर्ल्ड क्या है, एक rat trap है. एंड लैंड itself, cities and villages, चाहे आपका पूरा वर्ल्ड हो, चाहे सिटीज हो, चाहे लैंड्स हो, विलेजेस हो, ये सब क्या है अपने आप में rat trap से was nothing but a big rat trap. कह रहे हैं ये एक rat trap से ज़्यादा नहीं थे. It never existed for any purpose than to set baits for the people, offered riches and joy, shelter for the food and heat and clothing. फिर बता रहा है it had never existed for any purpose to set baits for the people. इस तरीके से क्या होता है, जैसे जिस तरीके से क्या होता है, कोई शिकार पे आदमी ग्रीडी पर्सन हो जाता है और वो कह रहा है इसके बेट में फंस जाता है. इट ऑफर रिचेस एंड जॉयस, शेल्टर एंड फूड, ये उनके लिए रिचेस के लिए एक वेल्थ को ऑफर करता है, जॉयस करता है, eat, and exactly as the rat trap offered the cheese and pork, as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closed it on him, then everything came to an end. और इस तरीके से क्या होता है, जब आदमी क्या होता है कि लालची हो जाता है और जब ग्रीडी हो जाता है तो लालच में फंस जाता है, और फिर क्या इस तरीके से क्या होता है, वो एक rat trap के समान हो जाता है. So after reading the second passage, we have come to know that the people who are the background, the people who are walking here and there without any purpose, their life become full of the sadness, their life become full of the boringness, their life become of the dullness. So those these very people do not offer the prayer for themselves, they never meditate to themselves. So such type of the people never get the happiness in the life. One day this man was simply lost of the thought, and naturally he was thinking about the rat trap, he was thinking about this very world, he was thinking about the cities, he was thinking about the villages, etc. So that very time an idea came into the mind of the writer. Simply he was thinking about the rat traps. So keh rahe hain, when it offered riches and the royal center and food and eat nothing except the rat trap offered cheese and pork. When these people have become very greedy and when they are going for the taking the what we can the center for joy food, etc. That when they become very greedy, when are tempted to touch the food, simply they are caught just like a rat in the rat trap, and everything has become closed. So after reading the second passage, we have come to know that in the second passage the writer wanted to say that how the life is just like a rat trap. The life has become just like a rat trap when the persons have become too much greedy. The word of course never been very kind to him, so it gave unbounded joy. To think it full of the way it became a cherished pastime of his during many clearly plottings. To think of the people he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare and of others who were still circling around the weight. The word of course never have been very kind to him. When this person has become very vagrant, when the person has developed so many bad habits, so nobody started to love him, nobody was kind to him, so it gave the unwanted joy to think of this very word. इसलिए इसको ऐसा लग रहा था that it gave him unwanted joy to think all this way. It became a cherished pastime of his during many daily plottings. To think of the people who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare and others who were still circling around the way. The word of course never been very kind to him. ये वो इस बात को हमेशा इस बात के लिए सोच रहा था, इस बात के लिए थिंकिंग कर रहा था कि ये संसार जो है बिल्कुल उसके लिए काइंड हार्टेड नहीं था, और यहाँ तक कि कह रहा है जो उसके लिए सो इट गैव हिम अनवांटेड जॉय, इसलिए उसको एक ऐसा जॉय मिल रहा था जो कि अनएक्सटर्म था. टू थिंक ऑल ऑफ दिस वे इट बिकेम चेरिश पास्ट टाइम ऑफ हिज, और इस तरीके से वो अपने पास्ट टाइम के बारे में सोच रहा था. चेरिश पास्ट टाइम का मतलब दैट वो उस एंटरटेनमेंट के बारे में सोच रहा था ड्यूरिंग मैनी डेली प्लॉटिंग्स. टू थिंक द पीपल who had left themselves caught in the dangerous snare and others who were still circling around the bait. और कह रहे हैं उस चीज के बारे में सोच रहा था, उन snares के बारे में सोच रहा था, traps के बारे में सोच रहा था, who were still circling around the bait. जो जिस तरीके से जो लोग हमेशा जो चारे के चक्कर में आते हैं, लालच के चक्कर में इसमें फंस जाते हैं. That after reading this very passage, we have come to know the writer want to say that the rat trap, simply the rat trap, when the rat trap had developed so many bad habits, then the world is not going to love him, the world is not loving to him. And next thing was that simply that everybody hated to him. When the person had become very greedy, then what will happen? The people had to ignore him, and simply that we can say, and when they become so much greedy, they were caught in the rat trap, and simply just like when what we can say that when they wanted to achieve the things, when they became very greedy and when they wanted to achieve more and more things, when they are attracted by the rewards, then what will happen? They become just like they were caught in the just like a rat trap. So now the story again is going to start about this very person in the fourth passage. After reading this passage, beta, what is given there. One dark evening, as he was strolling along the road, he caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside, and he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. Nor was he refused. Instead of sore faces which ordinarily met him, the owner, who was an old man without wife, or we can say without wife, and that what we can say that old without wife or child was happy to get someone to talk in the loneliness. Immediately he put on the portrait, porridge on fire, and gave him supper. Then carved off such a big slice from his tobacco roll that it was enough both for the stepper's papa and his own. Finally he got on an old pack of the cards and played majols with his guest until bedtime. So can I say in the fourth passage we can say that the story is going to start about this very man. Can I when one एक dark में क्या है शाम के समय क्या है शाम के समय में क्या होता है that क्या है जब ये वो जब मैन जो था एक तरीके से रोड की तरफ जा रहा था he caught up a little grey cottage. तो इस तरीके से that he saw the one cottage. एक road side में there was a one cottage. What do you mean by the cottage? There was a small house, and simply he saw the small house. And when he reached on the cottage, then simply he knocked the door and he asked for the shelter. What is the meaning of the shelter? It means he wanted to stay there at the night, and nor was he refused just instead of sore faces which already met him. Nor he was refused. ऑलरेडी ही वॉज रिफ्यूज पहले से ही किसी ने उसको सबको मना कर रखा था। सारे के सारे जो चेहरे उससे मिले थे तो कहते थे वो सब लोग कहते थे सोर फेसेस, यानी सबने उसको मना करवाता था। लेकिन कह रहा था दैट विच ऑर्डरली मेट हिम द ऑनर हु वाज एन ओल्ड मैन। लेकिन अभी इस समय जो एक आदमी से मिला था जिसका जो ऑनर था एक ओल्ड मैन था, जिसके कोई वाइफ वगैरह नहीं थी, कोई बच्चा भी नहीं था, was happy to get someone to talk in the loneliness। कहना उसे बड़ा खुशी हुई जब उसे अपने loneliness से मिलना था। Immediately he put the porridge, कहना इस आदमी ने तुरंत ही उसके लिए दलिया वगैरह तैयार किया था, फायर पे सफ़र उसके लिए दिया था, साथ में खाना दिया था। एंड कार्ट ऑफ मीन्स क्या होता है, स्लाइस वगैरह थे काटे थे उसके लिए, एक स्लाइस वगैरह टबैको रोल वगैरह दिया था। और यहाँ तक कि दैट स्ट्रेंजर्स के जो उसने पैर वगैरह उसने दिया था पीने के लिए। और कह रहे हैं लास्ट में क्या होता था, फाइनली ही गॉट आउट द ओल्ड पैक ऑफ द कार्ड्स एंड प्लेड मधुल विद द गेस्ट एंड। और लास्ट में क्या होता था, वो उसके साथ में कार्ड से भी खेला था, और इसके साथ साथ उसने उसके साथ में गेम्स खेला था। और जिस गेम को हम किस नाम से जानते हैं, मजूल के नाम से जानते हैं। विद हिज गेस्ट अंटिल द बेड टाइम, तब तक वो उसके साथ रहा था, तब तक वो उसके साथ कार्ड्स वगैरह और मजूल्स को खेलता रहा था, जब तक कि ये समय कहाँ नहीं हो गया था, बेड पे जाने का हो गया। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, दैट ही वेलकम द मैन वेरी मच। So after reading the fourth passage, we came to when the one dark evening was there, the man was walking along on the road, and simply he saw a little cottage on the roadside. He saw a little house. That house was situated on the roadside, and when he reached there, simply he knocked the door, and after knocking the door, then simply why he knocked the door, because he wanted to stay there at the night. He wanted to pass his night, and nor he was refused. That very time nor he was not refused. Simply after that, instead of the sore faces which orderly met him, generally he met so many people, but they were not so gentle, but they were not so good, they were not so good people. Nobody has welcomed him, nobody said to him for stay, but everybody was that simply denied him. But the man, after that, the man came out from the old man, came out there from that very cottage. The man was alone, he was not having the wife, neither he was having the wife, nor he was having any child. The man was very happy, and when the man reached there, when the rat trap reached there in the cottage, the man became very happy, because nobody was inside the house. He wanted to remove his loneliness. Actually, after reading this passage, very well, the man was not having the wife, the man was having no children, and simply when he saw the man, he wanted to remove his loneliness, he wanted to talk him. So, the man became, the old man became very happy. He prepared the porridge for him for the supper. For the supper we can say at the time of the dinner. And it means for the supper we can say that there may be the four types of the time. There may be the breakfast, there may be the lunch, there may be the dinner, and after that there may be the supper. What is the meaning of the supper? The light food that is taken at the time of sleeping, at the time of the night, that is called the supper. So the man prepared porridge for him, and not only he prepared porridge for him, but he also cut some pieces of the salad for him, and he has also smoked a pipe with him, and after that he played with the cards. Not only he played with the cards, but he also played the majols. Majols is a one type of the game, and in this way he enjoyed with the guest at the time when he had not gone to for sleeping. So after reading this very passage, we can say the man welcomed very much, the old man welcomed them very much, and simply he was very happy to see that very man. The old man just had a generous with the confidences as with the porridge and the tobacco. The guest was informed Crofter at once that the days of the prosperity his host had been Crofter, Ramjo's iron works and had work on the land. Now that he was no longer able to do any labor, it was his cow which supported him. Yes, that was bossy, extraordinary. She could give him for the creamery every day, and last month he had received all of the $30 payment. The old man was just generous with the confidences. जो old man था वो बहुत ज़्यादा generous था. He was a very generous. Generous means बहुत ज़्यादा kind hearted था old man, और इस तरीके से उसके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस भी था. जैसे कि उसने उसके साथ में उसके पॉरेज वगैरह दिया था, टबैको वगैरह भी उसके साथ में यूज किया था. एंड द गेस्ट वाज इन्फॉर्म्ड एट वंस दैट द डेज ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी. और गेस्ट ने ये भी कहा था, उसके गेस्ट को उसने ये भी इन्फॉर्म किया था कि एक कह रहा है उसके जमाने में कह रहे हैं उसने अपनी प्रॉस्पेरिटी के बारे में बताया हुआ था इस होस्ट के बारे में. होस्ट कौन सा होता है? द पर्सन हु इनवाइट्स गेस्ट टू हिज और हर्स फॉर टू प्रोवाइड फूड एटसेट्रा. उसने अपनी प्रॉस्पेरिटी के बिजनेस के बारे में बताया था. क्या उस पर्सन को बताया था जो उसके यहाँ पर उसके लिए आया था, जिसको उसने इनवाइट किया था अपने गेस्ट के लिए, अपने हाउस में फूड वगैरह देने के लिए. उसने बताया था कि एक जमाना था कि मैं भी बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉस्पर हुआ करता था. आई वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी रिच, आई वॉज ऑल्सो हैविंग ए लॉट ऑफ मनी इन द एंशिएंट टाइम. लेकिन वो क्या बता रहा है इसके लिए? एंड कह रहा है एट क्रॉफ्टर एट रॉमजोस आयरन मिल कैन वर्क ऑन द लैंड. कह रहा है उसके पास, लेकिन अब क्या है, वो रॉमजोस के आयरन मिल पे वर्क करता है, और कह रहे हैं एंड हैड वर्क ऑन द लैंड, और साथ साथ उसने लैंड में भी काम किया था बहुत ज्यादा. कह रहा नाउ दैट ही वाज नो लॉन्गर एबल टू लेबर. आज उसके पास लेबर करने के अलावा कुछ नहीं है. इट वाज हिज काउ व्हिच सपोर्टेड हिम. कह रहा है उसके पास केवल कुछ नहीं बचा हुआ, एक इसकी कार, उसके पास एक काउ है जो उसको सपोर्ट कर रही है. कह रहा है यही उसको सपोर्ट करती है. यस दैट बॉसी. कह रहा है यही काउ जो है एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी थी. कह रहा है जो मिल्क वगैरह देती क्रीम में, और कह रहा है लास्ट मंथ उसने उससे कम से कम जो है $30 पेमेंट में मिला था. यानी लास्ट मंथ जो उसने उससे पैसा कमाया था वो कितना था? हाउ मच मनी ही गॉट फ्रॉम दैट? $30. तो बेटा आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस वेरी पैसेज वी कैन से the old man was very gentle, he was very kind hearted, he was very soft hearted, and simply that the man was having the good confidence, and the man who has given the porridge and tobacco, that he said that he told the guest that in the ancient time that he was very rich, he was also very prosper, and that he was having a lot of property. But nowadays that he was working in the iron mill, the Ramjo's iron mill, and nowadays he has also worked on the land etc. But nowadays he was not having a lot of property, but only he was having a cow which had supported for the what we can say that old man, and the cow daily gives the milk. The last month's income of that we can say the old man was he had last month's income he had received, that was the $30. To only after reading this very passage we can say that the old man was not having having other property, he was not having so much land, etc. But only there was a one cow. The cow gives the milk, and after the income of the milk, after getting the milk, whatever the income he was getting, that was sufficient for the old man. At the last month, we can say, at the last month, whatever the income he has got, that was the 30 crore. Crore means that we can say that is also the one substitute of the rupees. It means that is also note of rupees. 30 rupees, 30 kroner he has got of the last month. So that the old man was alone. The old man was not having any other person. He was not having the wife. Even then he was not having the child. But still he was very kind-hearted. He welcomed the guest very much. He had not only welcomed the guest very much, but he also that gave the food and shared his feelings. So we can say at the last, we can say that if anybody came to our house, we must welcome for that very person, not only for giving the food that very person, but we also share the feelings to the person, because after sharing the feelings, we can know the reality of that very person. Thank you. Have a nice day. Meet you again.